I decided to track down my leaked data using a powerful free tool, and let's just say it ended up in places even my nosy neighbor wouldn't dare explore. Curious how this powerful free tool revealed some shocking truths about my data online? Let me show you. Let's not waste time anymore. Picture this. I'm sipping my morning coffee, casually browsing the web, when I discover my personal info is being hawked on some shady dark web marketplace for less than the price of my coffee. A wake-up call. By the way, stick around until the end, because I'm not just showing you how to check if your data's been leaked, I am also giving you 5 real, effective tips to protect yourself from these breaches forever. Trust me, you don't want to miss that part. So, here's exactly how I found out my personal email had been exposed in multiple data breaches. I went to haveibeenpwned.com, entered my email, clicked search, and, well, let me show you. Alright, let's go down the memory lane of my data disasters. It all started when Adobe decided to make my email legendary, and not in the good way. That breach was like the granddaddy of leaks, kicking things off in style, but then LinkedIn jumped in, proving it's not just good for networking, but also for spreading my data like free samples. And Big Basket decided to pitch in. Turns out groceries weren't the only things being delivered. My data was part of the package deal. Thanks, guys. And LinkedIn again, they weren't satisfied with just one leak. They just had to prove they were the overachievers of data breaches. Okay, so when I first saw these breach notifications, my initial reaction was classic denial. I'm thinking, it's just my old email address. What's the worst that could happen to a guy who works in cybersecurity? I almost clicked a link on what looked like a real job offer which I was waiting. Take every breach seriously, even if you think you are too clever to get tricked. Thankfully, none of these breaches directly expose my current passwords, but even having your email leaked invites risks like phishing scams and spam. Even though my passwords weren't directly leaked, it got me thinking, how safe are the passwords we commonly use? Let's find out now. Before we go further, hit that subscribe button, share this video, and drop dark web in the comments below. I will personally pick 10 random commenters and give each a free customized report clearly showing exactly which leaks expose their emails or passwords. Trust me, knowing exactly where your data ended up is priceless. So comment right now, you may receive a breach report completely free. Visit haveibeenpwned.com/passwords. Let's enter a few common examples to test. Password 123 leaked over 8 lakh times, very bad. QWERTY at 123 leaked 2 lakh plus times. Hackers have keyboards too. I love you leaked over 2.5 million times. Clearly, love is in the air. And all over the dark web. Seems like hackers are really feeling the love. Or maybe they are just breaking hearts one password at a time. I will admit it, I had a false sense of security with my passwords. I figured, I'm reasonably tech-savvy, right? What could they do? My super secret password. It was my dog's name and 1234. Turns out, listing that on every online forum is not the cleverest move. Guess my dog is now a cybersecurity liability. I learned not to mix pets with passwords, and not to overestimate my own brilliance. That's a broader life lesson, actually. Jokes aside, every leak means your inbox turns into a digital nightmare. Scam emails pretending you've won millions from a lottery you never entered, fake alerts screaming your bank account is frozen, or shady invoices from services you've definitely never used. But the good news? You're not powerless. The moment you take action, you stop being an easy target. So, let's cut through the noise. Here's exactly what you need to do right now to stay safe. Step 1. Visit haveibeenpwned.com. Enter your email to instantly check if you've appeared in known breaches. Step 2. Go to haveibeenpwned.com/passwords and test your passwords securely. If you see leaks, change those passwords immediately. Step 3. Sign up at monitor.firefox.com for free alerts, so that you'll instantly get notified if your info ever leaks again. Step 4. Change any compromised passwords ASAP. Turn on two-factor authentication everywhere possible. Use a reliable password manager like NordPass, Bitwarden, 1Password, or LastPass to keep each password unique and secure. For services you only need once or are unsure about, use a temporary email address like TempMail or Gorilla Mail. This keeps your real email out of risky databases. Visit haveibeenpwned.com and check your own email or password for breaches. Then come right back here and comment below what you found. Has your personal data ever leaked online? Let's swap stories. You have already seen mine's definitely worse, so don't be shy. We are all there in these breaches. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe.